Hello, this is Nathan from LTPK. So as you can see this control panel here, I'm going to show you how to use it. So basically we have three settings, one for the waiting time, one for the filling time, one for the counter. For the filling time right now, as you can see, the maximum filling time right now is 99.99 seconds. Okay, but you can shift the digit here to here. You see, if you shift the digit, now the maximum filling time will be 999.9 seconds. Okay, so same for the waiting time. You can see now it's 20-second waiting time. If I shift the digit, now it goes back to 2 seconds. So this is normally what these two buttons does. Okay, it shift the digit point. So okay, now it's 6 seconds. How am I gonna change it to maybe 10 seconds? So first you press this button to enter the setting. Now you can see this digit is blinking. Then I can add, it will cycle through 0 to 9. So if I add, it becomes 1. If I keep pressing, you can see 2, 3, okay, and then 9, back to 0, back to 1, okay. So this is how you set it. The middle button here, shift the blinking digit. Now it goes to this digit. Okay, now I set it to 1. Keep going, we can set here, we can set here. When all is down, you can press exit. Now it's set to filling time 1 second. Okay, same for the waiting time. Okay, also it is the same for the counter. Now if I go to counter setting, you can see the counter is set to 3. Okay, I can shift the digit like this. Now it's 1003. Okay, so I'm going to temporarily set it to 3. Okay, then exit. So this is how you change the setting. Okay, now from here you can see this knob. It will change the filling speed from 0 to 100. Okay. Okay, one by one. First, the manual. Manual will trigger the filling pump to work just one time based on the setting. Right now it's set to 1 second, so it will fill 1 second if I press this button. Same for the pedal. Okay, so here, manual and the pedal, they are the same. Okay, we can try this. I have a container here. If I press this manual, it will fill 1 second. Okay, then it stops. Same for the pedal. Right, I can change the speed, lower speed. Okay, higher speed maybe to show you. All right. Now, this button here, this is always on button, like this one. Okay. If I press it and hold it, it will continue fill. Same button here. All right. And then this button here, this is the auto mode. So if I open this, it will fill 1 second, then wait 2 seconds, then it repeats itself for 1 second, and then wait 2 seconds. with non-stop. Okay, it will keep going. Okay. Alright, so now you can see it already shows I have done 8 times. I can use this button here to reset the counting. Okay, so go to the counter setting. Now you can see the counter is set to 3. Now I exit. If I enable the counter by this button here, okay, this button is on. Now I use automatic mode. It will start counting. When it down 3 times, it will exit the automatic mode. Let's see. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. And then it exit automatic mode. You can see it already exit. Apparently 3 time is just for showing you the. Normally by default it is set to 1,000 times, like this. I can set it to 1,000 times. Okay. Now I can use like this, and it will count 1,000 times, and then it stops. All right. And finally, we have the this button here. This is actually the teacher mode. So if you have a multiple container, you don't know how long it will take to fill up the bottle, you can use this button. Once you press this button, it will start filling, and then you can just observe the container, the bottle you have. Once it reaches the desired water level, you can press it again to make it stop. Then it will register the filling time here. Okay, like this. So it will keep going. Now if I think this is fine, then I press again. This is the water level I get, and then you can see it automatically register the filling time in here. Okay, so this is the teaching mode. Okay, that's all.